Hey, good afternoon. I just got out of the shower, and that's what my bathroom looks like. It's kind of cool, but as you can see, there's standing water. And if I turn the shower on, which I just have a shower, and you see all the debris and stuff that doesn't get down the drain. I use like coffee flavored soap from Growing Wise. Go there and get your soap. Obviously, my drain doesn't work, so I'm going to leave some water in here. And some of you, I say and way too much, and forgive me for that. This is an apartment that I've recently rented, and you can see the disrepair. And check out this carpet; it's pretty awesome, which I've asked to have replaced. It's stained, and dogs have lived in here for years. This is my bedroom, anyway. But, you know, I've been living here for about 2 months, and yes, I do have long hair, but that is not enough hair to, my hair doesn't fall out. Pretty healthy. And the moment I moved in, the shower drain was slow, so I'm filling it up as if I was taking a bath. Look at that. Pretty gross. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water off. That was cold water, by the way. And what did I do? Oh, here. This is a tool that, as a plumber, you cannot imagine how much money I have made in using this tool. It is a hanger. Yeah, there it is, nice in all its focus. All right, here we go. You take your hanger and you stuff it down the drain as far as it will go. Sometimes it takes a little persuasion to get through the mess of things. I've got it down in there, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. Now what I'm doing is I'm spinning it like in a circular motion to see if I can get a hold of anything. And oh, there's a little bit. Oh yeah, I got some crud. All right, I'm gonna try and get this down in the drain a little bit further, and I apologize about my video work. It's just one of me here. I don't have a cameraman. That'd be awesome if I did. Let me see. Oh, look at that. There's some more. There's some crap that I pulled out of there. Are you ready to puke now? Okay. Trying to get this for some reason. There's some obstruction in here that is not allowing me to get the hanger past a certain point. But again, I'm twisting it and filming at the same time. Oh, look at that. Did you just see that just go? I've probably busted loose a wad of hair that was in the trap. I'm guessing that I'm going to pull some shit out of here that will absolutely be mind-boggling. I've bent the end of it so that I've got something for the material, whatever's stuck in here, to snag up on. Oh yeah, look at that. Are you ready to puke? Yeah? Now, I don't have rubber gloves on. I've been a plumber for many years, and I have touched some of the nastiest shit in the world. I am not afraid. This is my drain, and the shower drain doesn't work. So I'm gonna grab a hold of that wad of hair and see how much shit I can pull out of here. And I know this is probably really disgusting to some people, and I know a lot of people would never even think to do that, but I ain't afraid. All right, so I'm trying to, again, get it snagged up on the end of my shower, my curtain rod. Not curtain rod, but clothes hanger. And I can see the material twisting, and I think I've got it nice and snagged now. And pull this back up out of here. It's hung up on something in the drain. Okay, here comes the slug of shit. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, rather than grab that with my hand this time, because there's a bunch of green shit on it, I've got some pliers. I've made more money with this tool than any of you would care to know. And many of you have paid me to use these to make a boatload of fucking money because people don't know how to take care of their own plumbing. not to mention it's pretty fucking gross. There's that wad of shit. Again, I've only been here for 2 months, and I have very healthy hair. And there is the shit that I have pulled out of my drain. Now, I've just saved my landlord. Oh God. How much is it worth to have somebody that lives in an apartment who has experience like I have to clear a drain like this? Because I know immediately if my landlord had paid a plumber to take care of this, the bill would have been roughly $250. Most plumbing companies at this point in time, in this day and age, the moment they knock on your door, it's 90 to $100 just for the truck to show up. So I will be deducting some of this off my rent. I'll bring the manager down here to take a look at what I've done here. And I'm pretty sure that at this point, my drain is fairly clear, and I shouldn't have to deal with this shit anymore, at least for a while, until enough of my hair falls out to plug this drain up. And I can still see some debris down in there, and I'll do a little bit more work to get it out. But there you go. A clothes hanger, a little bit of guts to touch some nasty shit. And you know, you can always put rubber gloves on. I don't do it because it's hard to get a hold of stuff with it. And you can wash your hands. I mean, really. And your phone and all the shit. You know, I've touched that. Anyhow, I hope y'all aren't puking. There it is. Nice, nasty close-up of the shit that was in my drain. And likely if your shower drain is running slowly, if you get a curtain rod, bend the end of it over so it has something to wrap around some shit. Get it wound up, and I leave it full length so that I have plenty of room to spin it. There you go. That advice is priceless. Well, not priceless, but it'll save you $200. It just saved my landlord $200. And I got a shower drain that works now. Well, let's try it. Okay. The shower's working, right? And remember what was happening before. You saw what was happening before. Oh boy. Look at that. Swirling. Going down. Still draining a bit slow. There's probably some more debris down in there. I may need to do it. No, there it goes. Yeah. I think we've solved the problem here. Doesn't take much. If you need me to do something like this for you, the minimum fee that I have is $250. So, call me up. Send me a message on Facebook or whatever. Peace, y'all.